Hello guys, today let's see one of the most healthiest breakfast which contains a high amount of protein. Welcome to Fitness Bhojan. If you feel the video is helpful, hit the like button. Please subscribe to our channel for upcoming videos. Hit the bell icon to get the notification. I'm not claiming that making scrambled egg is rocket science, but there is a handful of tips worth knowing to ensure that you get effortless, delicious eggs. Here is what I do. I have got 2 eggs and a bowl. I'm gonna add a pinch of salt to it. Using my fork, I'm just gonna slightly mix them together. Then I start to whisk. Heat a non-stick pan under low flame. Take a little amount of oil or butter. Swirl it around to coat the bottom of the pan. Here is my whisked egg. One last mix and add it to the pan. The main trick is to not touch it until you start to see outside of the egg is set. Once you see that, you're gonna pull that gently. Pull the edges of the egg towards the center of the pan and you will see uncooked egg moves out. Just keep moving. There's one thing you need to remember about making really nice, light, fluffy scrambled egg is that they need to be cooked low and slow. So you should be more patient, guys. At this point, shut off the heat and just keep moving. Cook thoroughly. Look at that. Gorgeous. At the end, I'm gonna add little pepper powder. I have taken a pinch of pepper powder and sparkle it. Now you guys got this basic technique. Get into your kitchen and start cooking. For more simple, delicious, nutritious recipes, tips and ideas, subscribe to Fitness Bhojan. See you in next video.